Hey everyone, DaniB here. I'm here to walk you through common troubleshooting errors on our BRP series portables. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at today is grit debris buildup on your dressing arms, okay? Unlike the big machines that we have, these portables do not have the grit deflector on them when you're dressing your wheel, which means that you will absolutely get grit buildup on the outer edges of your dressing arms, okay? To clean it, all you do is you would literally paintbrush, a shop towel, whatever, something of a soft material, and you're just gonna brush the outside of those dressing arms to ensure that there's no grit buildup. I'd avoid using air, compressed air, and I say this because you don't want to impede on the actual dressing arm or the outer seals of the linear bearings. I'm going to show you guys how to complete a center height adjustment on your dressing arms. Okay, every once in a while they come loose in the travel. If you go from skate holder to skate holder on your portable unit, there's a possibility that you might actually shift the center height. Now, when these machines are built in-house, we actually factory set it to a 4.5 inch height from the tabletop to the center line of the dress. Okay, but in the event that that needs to change, we can show you how to go ahead and change that in the field. Super easy, not difficult at all to do. The key here though is to ensure that you keep one arm, okay, I usually look at the left side of the head. I always keep the left side straight and perpendicular to the tabletop. Now that I'm on the back end of the machine, I'm gonna make sure I leave this dressing arm alone entirely, okay? Just make sure it's perpendicular to the tabletop. We're not even gonna touch it. We're gonna go to the opposite side, and we're gonna back out the little set screw in the yoke. Okay, what that does is it actually frees up the dressing arm. Coming back around to the other side of the machine, you're gonna go ahead and turn clockwise to lower the dress height and counterclockwise to raise the dressing height. Once you find that little micro adjustment, that little sweet spot, you're gonna go ahead and retighten the set screw, okay, and then dress your wheels, see where it lands. If you need to make micro adjustments, it's no big deal, it's not hard. You're gonna come back around and you're gonna go ahead and back out that set screw, make your adjustments, tighten it back up and dress it again. Lastly, we're gonna check power supply. So if you plug it in, it's a standard 110 volt, guys, okay? Works anywhere in North America. If you plug it in and there's no power, you're gonna check the inline power source again. Make sure there's no construction going on in the building. Make sure that there's been no electrical storms, that kind of thing. If nothing is impeding on the inline power supply, then you're gonna check the switch, okay? It also is a fused switch, which means it will be lit red. If there is no color in the actual switch, then you got a dead switch. You gotta pull the switch out, check your connections, and if you pop it back in and there's still no power, then your switch is dead and you need a new switch. So that's it for the Pro Series machines, guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to reach out to myself, New England Sports Sales, or any of our sales and service reps in the field, and any of us would be happy to help you.